Hi friends, welcome to Aruna's English. Today our topic is common errors. These common errors are very useful for the students who are appearing for competitive exams. Let us see one by one. Due to heavy rains, the college was closed. That is wrong. Correct sentence is owing to heavy rains, the college was closed. What is the reason here? Due to and owing to both mean same, but owing to is used in the starting of the sentence and due to is used in the middle of the sentence. Like one more example, he did not attend the function owing to ill health. In this sentence, owing to is used in the middle of the sentence. That is wrong. We have to write he did not attend the function due to ill health. Or we can also write this sentence owing to ill health he did not attend the function. Next one. As he was disappointed, so he did not participate in sports and games. Here as and so both are conjunctions. We do not use two conjunctions in the one sentence because both are mean same. Like see, we have to write as he was disappointed he did not participate in sports and games, like that. Or we can write like this, he was disappointed so he did not participate in sports and games. Anyone we have to use. Next one. I reached the station before the train arrived. This is wrong. What is the correct sentence? I had reached the station before the train arrived. What is the reason? What is the difference between these two sentences? Had in second sentence or in the answer, I had reached is given. Why? Because there is a rule in grammar, that is two past actions rule. When we are going to mention two past actions, we have to write the first action in past perfect and the second action in simple past tense. In this sentence, I reached the station before the train arrived. Two actions completed. What is the first action? I reached the station is the first one, and then the train arrived. So the first action should be written in past perfect. That's why I had written here had reached. Next one. Each of the players are running for the ball. That is wrong. Each of the players is running for the ball. We have to mention it in singular because each of the, it is treated as singular. Iron as well as gold are found in India. Correct one. Iron as well as gold is found in India because after as well as we have to observe the subject, and according to that subject we have to write the verb. As well as after gold, gold is there. Gold is the subject here and that is in singular, so that's why we have to write is. Next one. The news are very interesting today. This is wrong. The news is very interesting today. Even though so many news are there, we have to treat it as singular. That's why we have to write is. The news is. Next one. The chief with his followers are present there. What is the right answer? The chief with his followers is present there. In question or in wrong sentence, are is given. In correct sentence, is given. Here what is the subject? The chief with his followers. Just we have to take the subject into consideration and according to the subject we have to write the verb. Here in this sentence we are saying about the chief only. and we are adding some other information to this subject, but that is not taken as subject. Here the subject is the chief, only singular, so we have to take it, or we have to write is. Next, bread and butter are a wholesome food. Answer, bread and butter is a wholesome food. Here bread and butter is taken as one thing. We should not treat bread and butter two things. We have to take it as one thing, bread and butter. Next, we came back home after the train left. Again, in this sentence, we can see two actions completed. We came back, one action. The train left, another action. What is the first one? We came back home after the train left. The train left is happened first, so we have to write that one in past perfect. So answer is, we came back home after the train had left. Next one, the man complained that his bike was stolen. The man complained that his bike had been stolen. Here we have to mention it in a passive voice. That bike had been stolen. So this is in passive voice, and we have to write it in passive voice. And here we can also say that this sentence is in a indirect speech. So that's why we have to mention like this. Neither he nor I has money to spare this. That is wrong. Neither he nor I have money to spare this. In this sentence, after nor, what is the subject? I. I is the subject. So after I, we have to write have, not has. Next one. His both daughters are clever. This is wrong. We have to write both his daughters are clever. Next one. He is the most cleverest student in the classroom. This is wrong. He is the cleverest student in the classroom, because in this sentence, most is the superlative degree and cleverest is also superlative degree. That's why we should not write two superlatives side by side. We have to write only he is the cleverest student in the classroom. He plays the cricket daily. Right answer is, he plays cricket daily. Before cricket, we should not write the, because cricket is the proper noun. So that's why we should not write the before cricket. I listen the radio daily. After the verb listen, immediately it is followed by to. We have to write to after listen. So I listen to the radio daily. Next, myself was the winner. We should not say myself. We have to say I was. I. We have to write I. Winner. She sat besides her mother. In this sentence, it is given besides, but she sat beside her mother. We have to write she sat beside her mother. What is the difference between beside and besides? Let us see next example, then we can easily understand. He has a car beside a bike. This is wrong. What is the right one? He has a car besides a bike. That means here besides means in addition to. Beside means by the side of. In the previous sentence, she sat beside her mother. That means she sat by the side of her mother. In this sentence, he has a car besides a bike. That means in addition to the car, he has also a bike. So that is the difference between beside and besides. Next one. Look this word in the dictionary. But write like this. The correct thing is look up this word in the dictionary. Okay friends, thank you for watching this, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.